In this online assignment, I have asked students to rewrite, rephrase, or paraphrase 3 facts from a tutorial playlist in the comments below the video in YouTube. For example, the low-tech tutorial simply lists the scientific study of life on the left and biology on the right with my voiceover in the video. A student could simply rewrite this as biology is the scientific study of life in the comment selection below the video in YouTube. Mission completed. Bam! Now do the same or rephrase or paraphrase in 2 more tutorial videos in the playlist and then submit done in the text box submission in the Canvas module. In lab, we will go over several of these low-tech tutorial videos each meeting along with the student comments. Note that I have asked the students to fact check if paraphrasing. Note, your comments may be verbally reviewed in lab as we do our pop quizzes. Therefore, fact check your information, especially if you are paraphrasing. Yes, we will use this for pop quizzes in the lab in preparation for testing. The practice of giving students choices is refined in this activity. This is taught in the ACUE training. ACUE stands for the Association of College and University Educators. Since the video I am making right now could be used to train students for my expectations, I will likely embed the link to this video in the instructions for this online activity.